Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got these bunch of transversal lines in between these two parallel lines such that we get angles 70 degrees, 104 degrees, 92 degrees, and 110 degrees. And now we are going to calculate this angle X. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me make it very clear that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution. In this video, I'll share with you two different methods, so therefore please watch the video till the very end. And here's our very first method. And now as you can see that these transversal lines meet at each other at these three vertices. This is one of them. This is the second one, and this is the third one. Now let's go ahead and draw the vertical lines that pass through these three vertices, as you can see in this new diagram. And we can see all these vertical lines are parallel to each other. And now let's recall alternate interior angles theorem. According to this theorem, if we have these two parallel line and this is our transversal line, then this angle and this angle are called alternate interior angles. And likewise, this angle and this angle are alternate interior angles as well, and such kind of angles are congruent. And now let's focus on our original problem. We can see that these are our two parallel lines and this is our transversal line. Therefore, this angle and this angle, they are alternate interior angles. If this angle is 70 degrees, this angle has got to be 70 degrees as well. And now we know that this whole angle is 104 degrees and this angle is 70 degrees. So therefore this angle has got to be 104 degrees minus 70 degrees. So that means this angle has got to be 34 degrees. And now let's focus on these next two parallel lines, and this is our transversal. So therefore this angle and this angle, they have got to be alternate interior angles. And if this angle is 34 degrees, this angle has got to be 34 degrees as well. And now we know that this whole angle is 92 degrees and this angle is 34 degrees. So therefore this remaining angle has got to be 92 minus 34. That is going to give us 58 degrees. And now let's focus on these two next parallel lines, and this is our transversal. Therefore this angle and this angle, they have got to be alternate interior angles. If this angle is 58 degrees, this angle has got to be 58 degrees as well. And now we can see this whole angle is 110 degrees and this angle is 58 degrees. So this remaining angle has got to be 110 minus 58 is going to give us 52 degrees. And here's our final step. Let's focus on these two parallel lines, and this is our transversal. So therefore this angle and this angle, they have got to be alternate interior angles. If this angle is 52 degrees, this angle has got to be 52 degrees as well. So therefore our angle X turns out to be 52 degrees. And now let me share with you the second method. Now let's focus on these angles, and we can see that these two angles are on the top of these transversal lines, these angles and these angles, whereas these angles are below these transversal lines. And now let's recall this basic rule. Sum of the angles on the top of these transversal lines is equal to the sum of angles on the bottom of these transversal lines. And we can see our angles on the top are these ones, 104 degrees plus 110 degrees equal to And our angles at the bottom are 70 degrees, 92 degrees, and x degrees. Let me go ahead and write down 70 degrees plus 92 degrees, and then angle x. Now let's go ahead and combine the like terms on the left hand side. That's going to give us 214 degrees equal to 162 degrees plus x. Now let's go ahead and subtract 162 degrees from both sides, and we can see this is gone. So therefore our angle x turns out to be 52 degrees. So thus our angle x turns out to be 52 degrees, and that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.